Autonomous flight, the ability for an air vehicle to plan its own route, fly itself, and land itself, was once science fiction. Today, it's becoming science fact, and a new capability for the United States Marine Corps. It's called the Autonomous Aerial Cargo Utility System, or ACUS. ACUS is cutting-edge technology that will enable Marines to rapidly resupply forces on the front lines, as well as being a pilot aid for manned flights in degraded visual conditions.
The ACUS system is a kit that goes into a helicopter and essentially it flies itself. So we can take out supplies and move goods and services across the battle space.
ACUS is a partnership between the Office of Naval Research, or ONR, and technology company Aurora Flight Sciences. The system consists of a sensor and software package that can be integrated into any manned or unmanned rotary wing aircraft.
The aircraft's able to autonomously plan its route, autonomously clear its landing zone and land, and provide services to Marines that are in the field without needing highly trained operators to guide the aircraft in.
ACUS is designed for quick and easy use, crucial for users under fire or in other situations where time is critical. An operator can call up the supplies needed and order flights using only the same handheld tablet they already carry.
It's made to be operated by a non-aviator, non-aviation trained person. And that was kind of the concept from the very beginning, is to make that easily useful.
It's very easy to use. You cannot mess this up, no matter how hard you try.
So learning to use the system was incredibly easy.
The idea is simple. The Marine in the field quickly and easily requests supplies on a tablet. Those supplies are loaded into the helicopter, which takes off, plots its own course, avoids obstacles, and lands near the Marine.
The ACUS-enabled aircraft is sensing the environment around it, making decisions about how to operate the aircraft, and then feeding the digital flight control system on board the aircraft a safe path to fly.
Nominated for the 2017 Robert J. Collier Trophy, one of the top aviation awards in the world, ACUS represents a leap-ahead technology for the Marine Corps and Navy.
We used an existing vehicle, we used existing commercial off-the-shelf sensors, and our whole program was dedicated to moving along the science of autonomy.
Qualitatively, really with the help of the Office of Naval Research, the warfare centers, other government laboratories, we think that unmanned or manned-unmanned teams are going to be critical to reducing risk that our Marines, sailors, soldiers, airmen are exposed to in an operating environment.
So when we see something like ACUS and autonomous aerial platforms, unmanned, that can deliver logistics, supplies, firepower, any of our functions ashore in a high-threat environment, certainly it gives us more options.
ONR is working on autonomy in all domains, and we see opportunity in all of those domains to reduce risk and increase mission effectiveness for the Navy and the Marine Corps.
For more information, visit www.onr.navy.mil.